What's up, guys? We're here at California Aqueduct. Just had a striper on right now and I lost him. So we're gonna try to get him. Yeah, no, you're right, yeah.
You know what I mean? I didn't catch a single fish in the Aqueduct, bro.
For years?
For like 7.5 years, bro.
Damn.
And then I just figured it, me and TJ both just figured it out, bro. Like at the same time, we were like, bro. And ever since, dude, we smacked the Aqueduct, bro.
What kind of fish are you?
I'm good, bro. You can pass it to him straight.
What's that?
What kind of bait are you?
Tule perch. Have you seen the skull?
You got one? Oh, he got it, gosh. That's right. Hey. Hell
Want
yeah.
to get any lines in for you? It looks like he's in that one.
Yeah.
You want me to grab it?
Yeah, get your point up over this way. I would even walk up this way more.
What'd you get, G?
That's
Here,
a
let me
cat.
go over you.
That's a cat.
It's a cat, huh?
Yep. You want to walk up that way and get him away from that cable will snap your line
Get
quick.
that net?
Yeah, grab the net, Chad.
I'll hit that one.
That's a striper.
No.
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
Yeah, it is.
big
It
when you
is.
get
That's
the
a
net,
striper. That fool got a big one.
Oh, he's going.
Hold on, bring him this way, walk this way. Get right behind me.
You want me to reel this in?
No, you don't need to. He's gonna make another run, but get right behind me and keep him up this way.
Oh, you got a striper, boy. Let me get my scale out. You got it, AJ. Come closer to right here. Come closer down here.
Hold on.
Woo.
You can see him. He's gonna make one more run out. Just keep an eye on your lines, bro.
Shit! Hey! Hey! That's right!
Jesus!
Sheesh! Hey, right here.
Get back when you. Good job, bro. We're over here. You gotta get lit to get bit, bro. That's what it is.
Right here.
Hold on, let him put it on.
Yeah,
Grab him
you're
tight.
right.
Grab him tight by hand.
Yeah.
One hand back here.
Nah, up here, down lip, bottom lip.
I'm gonna say 5-5.
Oh, my shit is fucked up.
You
Here,
didn't
hold
zero
up,
it out.
grab them. Yeah, I need to zero it out.
Hold on. Go ahead and zero it out. No, wait. And now go. 6. I from you a little bit. There you go.
Let's measure them real quick. Let me grab my measuring tape.
I threw my phone in the dirt. Can you grab that real quick?
26.
Oh, 25.
It's 26.
Let's see. Woo! He's 26, you right. 26? Hell yeah.
He's gonna tell everybody now, though.
Are you serious?
That's right. It was worth
bad,
it.
bro.
That was worth it.
bad.